Hey guys, today I'm working with a Kenmore washer and Whirlpool electric dryer set. It's in excellent condition, and I'm going to show you, as if you were standing here yourself testing it out, that they work perfectly. The washer goes through a 28-point inspection. Everything mechanical, electrical, everything gets tested and checked out. Dryer goes through a 22-point inspection. Of course, every aspect of the heating element system, and there again, everything mechanical, electrical, it all gets tested. Then you get to see this video and hear that it runs great, sounds great, nice smooth operation. So right now, pretty heavy jeans and towel load in there. Got it filling up. We're just going to do large load, warm, cold water. This is kind of cool where you can set this. It's great for like delicates, things that you wouldn't want to get thrashed around by the agitator here. But this does a really good job, this agitator, for getting your clothes clean. And how you know this works properly is it spins freely one direction and not back the other direction. If you can reach in your washer and spin it freely both ways, then this is broken. So something very good to note. I've been telling everybody about that because otherwise your clothes don't get clean. It fills up with water, drains, fills up, drains, and spins, and that's it. So something to look for. Anyway, we're going to let this go ahead and fill up. We'll come back through its cycle here. Then we will show you the dryer. Alright, it's moved on to the agitation portion. You can hear it. Now, if you've never had a top load washer and you've just had the front loaders without agitators, then this is a new sound for you. If you can hear it, I'll show you what it is. It's that agitator working correctly. You can see it sucking those clothes down, so it's really getting them clean. Doing an excellent job there. And then the lid switch is right here. When I put it on spin, I'll show you that when I lift this lid up to show you that it's spinning, it'll shut it down, so it's a safety switch. Otherwise, now you know that it is washing correctly. Alright guys, now we are at the final spin, full speed. I'm going to go ahead and open this up. Show you that it is spinning nice and fast. It's got nice smooth operation. Alright, I'm going to let that finish out and then I will show you the dryer. Alright guys, got those clothes moved over to the dryer now. Got it running just on time dry, high heat. Sounds great. Nice smooth operation. And I'm going to show you that it is in fact heating like it's supposed to. So in between my two red dots right there is where it's going to give you the temperature measurement. It's about 72, almost 73 out here. A little cooler on the ground. So we will shoot this right inside the dryer. Heating element tube. About 240 degrees coming out of the heating element tube, and then that in turn heats the inside of your dryer from about 95 all the way up to 195 once it gets nice and hot. Just depends on what you have this setting right here set at, and it's got low for delicates, which is really nice. And then there's also an automatic setting here where you can just set it and walk away from it. So that's it on this, guys. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out. Otherwise, I do appreciate you taking the time to watch this video. Have a great day. Thanks.